Lipids, are they really as bad as they're made out to be? You may have heard people say, fats will only make you gain weight. Fats have no purpose. Fat is bad for you. In order to understand why those are wrong, you'll first need to know what lipids actually are. So what are lipids? Lipids are one of the 4 types of biomolecules, characterized by being nonpolar and containing carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Lipids are used for long-term energy storage, and they are the building blocks of the cell membrane. In general, a lipid is composed of 3 fatty acid chains attached to a glycerol molecule, although there are different types of lipids.
One type of lipids are called triglycerides. These are split into 2 groups, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated triglycerides have all single bonds in their fatty acid chains. Unsaturated triglycerides have at least one double bond in their fatty acid chains.
Another type is called a phospholipid, which builds the cell membrane. A phospholipid has a hydrophilic, attracted to water, phosphate head, and 2 hydrophobic, not attracted to water, fatty acid tails. So why are lipids so important? Lipids are important for fat-soluble or nonpolar vitamins because without any nonpolar lipids in your diet, essential vitamins such as A, D, E, and K cannot be absorbed and used by the body since they will only dissolve in nonpolar lipids. Cell membranes are composed of the type of lipid called a phospholipid, so without a proper amount of fat in your diet, cell membranes will not function properly. Lipids are used for long-term energy storage, meaning that once your body burns all of your carbs for short-term energy, it will begin to burn lipids. So without this long-term energy, you will feel more tired and you will lack the endurance you need. Lipids are also the building blocks of some hormones. So without enough fat in your diet, hormone imbalances can occur. So what can happen if you don't have enough lipids in your diet? Your heart could be put at risk. Healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids reduce the buildup of cholesterol in your arteries, which could lead to heart attacks. Low-fat diets have also been linked to poor brain function. Your brain is nearly 60% fat and runs off of fatty acids, which must be obtained through your diet. Without those fatty acids, cognitive functions of the brain will be decreased. What foods have lipids?
Healthy unsaturated lipids can be found in foods like avocados, nuts, salmon, olive oil, peanut butter, and seeds. Unhealthy saturated lipids can be found in foods like butter, cheese, beef, lard, milk, and cream.
So why should you choose lipids? In the human body, cellular transport is very important. In the case of gas exchange, breathing, oxygen leaves the cells in the alveoli and is brought to the organs and tissues, where it enters their cells to be used in various reactions that produce carbon dioxide as a byproduct, which then enters the cells in the alveoli to be exhaled as waste as it is toxic to the body. Breathing would therefore be impossible without the phospholipids in the cellular membrane allowing things in and out of cells all around your body. Lipids also make some very important steroid hormones that are responsible for growth, such as estrogen and testosterone. Without lipids to create these hormones, nobody would develop properly through puberty and could suffer from an array of symptoms as a result of lacking these hormones. Overall, when considering all the things lipids are responsible for in the body and how they keep us alive, it is clear to see that lipids are the most important biomolecule.